guys, it's Daisy. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Today we are actually going to be doing a closet clean out. I figured, you know what, let's do a little closet clean out, that way we can get rid of all of the clothes that I don't need. So here is my bed right now. It's a disaster. I have clothes right here and I have clothes over here. I have clothes out there. My apartment's a disaster. And then I also have clothes in here. So this is my closet. It is not that big. So as you can tell, it is full of junk. Well, not junk. I mean, it's my clothes, but you know. So I'm going to be going through my closet and all of these piles of clothes. We're going to make 3 piles of clothes. We're going to make a keep, a donate, and then a sell. I don't know how I'm gonna start. I think we're gonna tackle these clothes piles first because I've got to get rid of them.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too. Playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah,
Alrighty, so here is what we have so far. That is my Depop pile. That is my donate pile. This is my keep pile. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through. Look at all that junk. Oh my gosh, you guys.
but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
Okay, so this is the progress that we've made. That's my keep pile. It's pretty big. Depop pile, donate pile. These piles are looking pretty small, so we really need to get some more clothes in there. I've got to stop keeping stuff because I have way too much stuff. I really need to start getting rid of it. I need to like be cutthroat.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
Here is the current pile. This is my keep pile. Honestly, way too big. Should I keep these? I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep them just in case. I went through the 2 piles of clothes that was on my floor, my dresser. Now we're going through my closet. My closet is a total mess. So what we're going to do is go through everything, decide what we want to keep.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, so we're just going to reorganize all these shoes, and then if I see any that I don't want anymore, I'll put in the donate pile. But for right now, we're just going to rearrange them really quickly.
Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug.
I don't know what I was thinking when I bought these shoes. They are so ugly. I got them from ThredUp. So we're gonna put that in the donate pile.
My brain wants you. I've been hanging by.
Okay, so I just finished organizing my shoes, so I just have them all lined up, and then this is all cleared out. I think I'm gonna buy the velvet hangers before I put all my clothes back. That is the pile that we're keeping, and then I moved the Depop pile and all that stuff to over there. Oh my god, I am like so out of breath. So that is the keep pile, that is the Depop pile, and then we have the donate pile, and then I have this pile over here, which is also being kept, that needs to go back into my closet. Let's head over to Marshall so we can get these hangers. Just got some Marshall, so we are walking into the store.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop.
We have the hangers. I got 2 sets of 25, so I got 50 total hangers. So we're gonna get back to my apartment and get everything put back into the closet, so I will see you guys over there. I went ahead and changed out all of the hangers. So I got rid of all the plastic hangers and I put the velvet hangers in here now. I still have a lot of the plastic hangers. I just put them up there just in case I don't have enough of these and I have to get more because I only have 50 of these. I don't know if those are going to be enough, but we're going to see. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this pile of clothes and we are going to put it back into this closet.
They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Two different minds.
The finished product, it's honestly not the most cleanest I would like for it to be. I tried to coordinate by color, but I wanted all of my blazers together, my hoodies and sweatshirts, and then my flannels, more of like my dressy shirts, and then like my sweaters for work. So that is the finished closet. I still have all of this up here, which I could go through and color coordinate these. I might do that. My shoes are a lot more organized, and then over here I have all of my bags and everything just kind of pushed to that corner. I have to put all of these clothes into this dresser, and then I need to bag these clothes up, and then these clothes I'm going to post on Depop. I am honestly getting exhausted. So let's put these clothes in a trash bag first, and then we're going to put all these clothes in the dresser.
We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. telling lies. That's how we stay alive. Yeah, no, I'm straight like I'm touchdown. I can do my dance like a touchdown. Yo, like I'm touchdown. I can do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, no, I'm straight like I'm touchdown. I can do my dance like a touchdown. Yo, like I'm touchdown. I can do my dance like a touchdown. I can do my dance like a touchdown. I can do my dance like a touchdown.
Alrighty, so we have a clean room now. All of the clothes are up. These are the 3 bags that I'm going to be donating to Goodwill. This entire place is a disaster, so this is what I'm probably going to tackle tomorrow. These are the clothes that I'm going to post on Depop. That is pretty much it for this closet clean out. As you can see, I am so greasy, I'm sweaty, I am hot. Oh my gosh. But honestly, I feel so good after doing this. This was so much fun. What's up, guys? So I'm currently editing this video and I realized that I did not get rid of nearly as much clothes as I wanted to. And after rewatching this footage, I realized that I kind of just rearranged everything. And I did get rid of a lot of stuff because I got like 3 bags of clothes together, which was pretty good. But I was pretty disgusted when I saw the pile of clothes on the floor that I was keeping. So I'm going to redo this. I'm going to do a part 2 to this, and I'm going to get rid of way more clothes and try to go more in depth with you guys and actually show y'all like what I donated and stuff, because I kind of just sped through this footage because I realized I just didn't get rid of nearly enough stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to do a part 2. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Bye. That's it. I love you guys so much. I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure you subscribe for more content, and I hope I see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.